Welcome to a quick guide on turning off link previews in WhatsApp for PC with the latest update. If you've ever shared a link and noticed a big preview popping up, you'll appreciate how this simple tweak can clean up your chats and save data. First, open the WhatsApp application on your computer. You'll see the familiar layout with all your chats listed on the left and conversations on the right. Take a moment to calm any notifications and get ready to adjust your privacy settings. Next, look to the left side menu and locate the gear icon. This is the access point for WhatsApp's settings on desktop. Click it to open a compact menu of options dedicated to customizing your account and experience. You're stepping into a space that balances usability with privacy. From there, select Privacy. This section is your control panel for what others can see and how your information is shared. While you explore, you'll notice several toggles and choices designed to tailor your messaging environment to your comfort level. Within Privacy, find the option labeled Link Previews and switch it off. Once disabled, WhatsApp will no longer fetch or display a preview when you share a URL in chats. The result is cleaner messages, especially in groups or dense conversations where previews can be distracting or take up unnecessary screen space. If you ever want to revert the change, you can return to the same privacy section and toggle link previews back on. It's a quick adjustment, and your chats will again display link content as previews whenever you enable the feature. A quick tip: if you work with lots of links and rely on previews for quick context, you might prefer leaving this setting on. On the other hand, for long conversations, off can reduce clutter and potential data usage. Either choice keeps you in control of how you view shared content. That's all there is to it. You've now customized your WhatsApp experience on PC by disabling link previews, making your chats sharper and more focused. If you'd like, share in the comments how this change affects your daily messaging or suggested tweaks you'd like to see in future updates.